How to customize your avatar in 5 steps. Choose an avatar from the signs in the Virtual Learning Village avatar room to customize your appearance. Click the sign with your left mouse button. Click the Buy button in the next window. Click the Inventory button. Note, depending on your viewer settings, the Inventory button could also look like one of these. When the Inventory window opens, select the Recent tab. Find the folder that contains the new avatar. Right-click that folder with your mouse. On macOS, use the Command button and left-click. Then select the Replace Current Outfit option from the menu. Now please give your new avatar some time to load until you see all the changes. You can download this tutorial as PDF file from our website at virtuallearningvillage.org.